All right. Good morning, everyone, or middle of the night for those in the US. Welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin with your host, Tone Vays. How is my audio? Because I ran into an audio problem this morning. So I had to attach my, you know, expensive Rode mic because normally I do this on my lapel mic, but for some reason the lapel mic wasn't working. I'm gonna try one more time. Is this working? I think it's working. It wasn't working before, so I don't know why it's working now. So I hope the audio didn't drop much. I went from a better mic to a clip-on mic. So I'm just gonna wait for you guys to let me know if it's resolution. I think you can raise the resolution on your end. Yeah, you can set the resolution to 720. If the resolution on your end is 144, that's just change it in the settings. That's because I am watching this on YouTube myself as I stream, and I'm in 720. Have not yet figured out how to do it in 1080, unfortunately, through Zoom. I have no idea how people do it. I have not been able to figure that out. Got more muffed when you did that. Okay. Sound is good. All right, I want to see if there was a big discrepancy in the audio. If there is a big discrepancy, I will use the other mic more often. But if it's okay, then I know that this clip-on thing is fine. This is like my mask, which is also, it's kind of chilly here. I am in Turkey. I am in Sesme, which is about an hour away from Izmir. I am at this awesome resort. Well, it will be an awesome resort once the construction's done. And they're taking this opportunity of COVID to basically redo their entire beach area of this resort. And I'm staying here during the construction because this is a potential venue for a future event, whether it's the financial summit or something else. I have other interesting ideas for really cool events around the world because I really enjoy doing those events. So there's an awesome beach there. I know it's a rainy day, and this is going to be great. I can't wait to see pictures of what happens after all this construction is done, because I saw their blueprints and stuff, and they got some good ideas on what's going to happen down there for some fun beach bars and stuff, including like a I don't even know why I should say it, including a bar where that's like a stock market where you bid. So the price of a beer or a tequila fluctuates throughout the day based on supply and demand. So you have an app and you can set limit orders of when you want to buy a certain drink based on the supply and demand of that drink. So as more people buy, it gets more expensive. Anyway, I am here in Turkey. It is pretty restrictive due to COVID. So we'll see how long I stay here, but I will be in Turkey for at least another week. Going to another city after this, and then I'm going to be in Antalya. There's a little conference going on there. So keep you guys posted. All right, let's talk about the charts. Let's go to screen share. I think this is my, no, it's not my screen share. No, that is my screen share. Okay, cool. Here it is. I tweeted this out last night. So yeah, you know, I didn't take the MRI top seriously, and maybe I should have taken it more seriously. So again, technical analysis says certain things, and we as humans do our best to interpret those technical analysis signals. And sometimes the technical analysis says one thing, and you don't take it too seriously, and maybe I should have taken it more seriously, like I said. Also yesterday, don't forget to oh, I forgot my profile. Don't forget to listen to this a fat pig of a person who believes that every single dollar you spend with your cash is a criminal transaction. And people like this, like they're just evil human beings that hopefully in the future natural selection and freedom would remove these people and their way of thinking. Also, yesterday I tweeted out a video by Mary Fox Crypto. It's actually really, really good. So she's going to be making educational videos about trading, similar to my free trading resource on my website. All right, now let's talk charts. So check that out as well, guys. So you just click on the video, go straight to the YouTube channel, so you can go ahead and check that out. Nope, mempool. I love this. This is absolutely awesome. Oh, we just cleared a 12 sat per byte transactions. We just cleared 6 sat per byte transactions. We are down to 104 blocks. It is middle of the night on a Sunday. It would be awesome to get this down to the 90 block area as the next week begins. Right now, if I was sending my Bitcoin transactions, I would be using 10 sat per byte at most, and even 5 cent per byte transactions should be clearing over the next 10 hours or so. So if you were looking to consolidate some Bitcoin transactions, now is the time. Okay, let's talk charts. Here is the weekly chart. I absolutely love this consolidation. Even at a weekly scale, I can draw an ascending triangle. And this triangle is very, very difficult to argue with. I can't wait to see what it looks like on a daily scale, but this is very clearly a ascending triangle. And of course, we have to make it green for an ascending triangle. So this looks really, really cool. I'm even going to leave it on a weekly chart. We continue to consolidate. People continue to get very, very frustrated. But in the meantime, we are working on something really nice. That is a $22,000 fat part of triangle. Maybe I got a little cavalier here. So let's drop it down to about 20. Now it's still 22. And now we take this line and we flip it. So there it is. 20. Whoa, that's too much. 22. So where would that take us? I'll even do 21. Where would that break us out to? That looks like it's breaking us out all the way to $80,000. That is the potential breakout that is in the making from this ascending triangle. That is awesome. As you can see, we have reset the MRI counts, and right now the week has started on once again of a reset to a red one. I actually expect this week to end positively. I remain optimistic. I remain bullish in this market. Oh boy, it just started raining again. I may have to speed this up. I guess I spent too much time bullshitting in the beginning, and now my computer is getting wet. This is not gonna end well. So I'm gonna take a minute looking at the daily chart. The daily chart pulled back off the MRI top, but we are holding the moving average. Okay, I gotta move my operation before my new $4,000 computer dies. Hopefully I won't drop my goal as I move my operation on the balcony. A little. Okay. Give me a second, guys. It's a little cold. It's a little windy. But, oh, and there goes the GoPro. Man, GoPros. Raining. All right, come on. GoPro still alive. Is the phone Vays stream back? Checking, 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 checking. We're back. But so, well, the audio's back. Video is not back. All right, so no more video the rest of the time. Oh, that sucks. I can disconnect and. Okay, are we back now? Now we're back. Okay, sorry guys. Had operational difficulty due to raining on the balcony, which started out of nowhere after my podcast. Okay. Video is still off because GoPro software sucks. So we're back to screen share. But now we're up and rolling. Okay. So right. So people seem to be upset with me enjoying life. As much as I like you guys, but in reality, you pay absolutely nothing for this content. So me spending 12 hours a day updating you on the price of Bitcoin is not exactly how I want to live my life. So while I still do these updates every day, there's going to come a time in the very near future where my entire free content will surround the usage of Bitcoin and not the trading of Bitcoin. And you may have to go to someone else for analysis on price. Okay, so the daily chart. Why did that happen? The daily chart. We are respecting this MRI top. We are in the middle of a 1 to 4 candle correction. Relatively speaking, this correction has not been that bad. And here we are with this correction. Why am I even? There you go. Here we are with this correction holding the 20-period moving average. And on a weekly chart, this looks like a really awesome triangle. And it's a better looking triangle on a weekly chart than the daily chart. So I'm not even going to bother drawing the triangle on a daily chart. I'm going to stick to the triangle on a weekly chart. Maybe it could be a little bit smaller. I really like this. I think it looks great. And let's see if we break out for $20,000 pop. That would be awesome. And I think that can happen. And from there, I think we're going to have a more sustained correction. Short-term charts, it wasn't looking good a few minutes ago. It's looking better right now. Things were looking good last night. When I was going to bed, it was looking great. When I was going to bed here in Turkey, things were looking really good. We were at $58,500, and I was hoping I would wake up to a $59,000 price of Bitcoin or higher. And then we would be rolling into the breakout. Unfortunately, we'll have to wait another day or two. So I'm going to keep watching this and bring you another update, maybe even tonight, maybe even later tonight when New York is awake. I'll do another short update. It will be, with less technical difficulties. And that's basically the plan. This is GBTC. We're going to talk about it later tonight once the markets are open. Gold. I still think gold has bottomed for the year. It was a little bit concerning a few days ago. But once we break this line in gold, which currently sits at $1,745, I think gold will start to challenge the all-time high. The stock market, keep an eye on this. The stock market is coming into its own MRI top on the daily scale. Today is going to be the warning candle, with tomorrow being the MRI top candle. The weekly, however, is just getting started. I really think we're going to hit the top of this channel. The top of this channel sits in the $5,000 area. So I would not be surprised if the S&P 500 hits $5,000 before the summer, 5,000 points before the summer. I think it's going to come fairly soon. Mostly because of all the money printing. I mean, AOC, the communist out of the Bronx, she wants to print 100 trillion gazillion dollars. And when she does, most of that money is going to the stock market. It's going to go into speculative assets because no one wants to hold, fiat money that is being printed like the Venezuelan bolivar. This will also send Bitcoin to millions of dollars a piece, which will make every Bitcoin holder a criminal, like worse than a pedophile. If you hold Bitcoin, that's basically where it's going. So I am making plans to get the hell out of, the ruling of the West, and hopefully other people will do the same. That's my little political rant. Any chance we head down to 54,000 or lower during this correction? Anything is possible, but I believe that is very unlikely. I do not believe we are going that low. Check the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance is not actually relevant anymore because I can check it, but it won't mean anything because stupidity is totally back. You guys have to remember that BitConnect was once number 6 on CoinMarketCap. Aurora Coin was once number 2 on CoinMarketCap. Paycoin was once number 3 on CoinMarketCap, and now you have all of these DeFi stuff and all this NFT garbage. And the reason why Ethereum is so expensive is because no one could actually use it with their $300 transaction fees because Ethereum just can't scale. So the Bitcoin dominance is actually irrelevant because people are just printing money out of thin air. And so don't worry, Bitcoin is going to be the only man standing out of all these shit coins. All right, that's it. It's time for me to move on to another part of Turkey. I saw everything there is to see here. The venue is really, really cool. The hotel is really, really cool once the construction is over. And I'll be spending a little more time in Turkey once the quarantine ends. I really like Turkey. I really like the food especially. It's great. Okay. That's it for me, guys. Thank you all for watching. One more peek at the mempool. I think your 5-set transactions will start clearing over the next few days. Like, I would not be sending a 25-set transaction right now. Not at all. My low priority transaction right now would be about 7 Satoshis. And my high priority transaction right now would be about 15 Satoshis. And medium would be about 10. That's my personal estimate. As you can see, we cleared an average. We were clearing 5-set per byte transactions 16 minutes ago, and 14 minutes ago, and 31 minutes ago. So 5-set per byte transactions have started to clear. So if you want to get your transactions through, just use 7-set per byte, and you should not have an issue over the next several hours. Just a heads up on the Bitcoin mempool. All right, guys, that is it for me. Thank you all for watching, and see you all on the next one.